Test natin, Double Bell 303, Pit Viper John Wick 4. Shoutout kay Boss Andre. With TTI markings, ito Pit Viper. Then naka fiber optic sights. Yung slide niya is metal na rin yung frame. Then magwell is TTI, adjustable trigger, base plate TTI. Price is 4,800. May kasama na siyang case, continental coin, continental card, cleaning rod, and extra nozzle. Chrono check natin. 312, 298. For more details, PM kayo sa page namin, Mavs BPH.